Okay.
What did you guys do?
What did you do, Keith?
We did buy this house sight unseen.
I was not expecting it to be in any way good, but the tarp looks like it's about 10 years old.
The tarp has been there for a very long time.
This place is very large, though. It is 5 bedrooms,
It's
2
big.
bathrooms.
Did you see interior photos? No. Okay.
They didn't have any of that. The main reason we bought it was it's the last house on the block that doesn't have plans to be demoed, that's abandoned. If we don't redo this house, it will sit for even longer, abandoned and rotting down. And the other houses on the block are gonna be a much harder sell.
Welcome home.
Yeah. Yeah. This one,
I don't like this house. Did you already close?
we did.
Yeah.
It is done. It's a disaster. Interior walls are rotted.
Like literally everything's right.
Everything's rotted. You have beautiful wood icicles hanging above your fireplace. But it's a good size, though.
Yeah.
I agree.
Big living room, great light, and it could be really chic. The dining room is really large. It's got a big window facing the pretty lot. This room isn't bad.
What is this kitchen like?
It's a disaster.
It's bad. It's a toilet in there.
Oh wait.
And a gaping hole.
Why is there a toilet in the kitchen?
I don't know. Fun times.
You're tilting it pretty aggressively.
Demo begins today. This house is a pile of... It's a pile of junk, really. I definitely am feeling some buyer's remorse on this one the more we dig into it, because it's just bad.
This house is gonna cost a fortune. It's gonna be a gigantic demo job, a gigantic framing job.
Big drywall job, big exterior job, big roof job.
This house might be the worst I've ever encountered yet.
That's saying something at 60-something houses or whatever we're at. The big thing that I keep focusing on for the design is it's a big house. I think it might be fun to have like a modern Scandinavian design. Neutral, muted tones. Chic, clean lines and natural elements like a lot of wood furniture and accents. I mean, everyone loves Scandinavia, so it should be an easy sell.
I think we need to create some kind of space at the top of the stairs that each of the bedrooms opens into, and it'll make much more sense. So we're gonna be reconfiguring a lot.
I mean, the house is worth it. It would have an ensuite with a huge open kitchen, a very nice dining space still, and a large living room with an open staircase.
So we're eliminating a bedroom, but making the house 1,000 times more likable, right?
Yeah.
I feel like at that point you start getting some economies of scale. Given the size of the house and the state of it, I'm not sure we've ever had a challenge quite like this.
Okay, go ahead.
This is, I think, our largest framing job we've ever had to do.
And now I can do something really spectacular with the staircase. We'll redo all the steps in blonde oak, and I'm going to leave the side open to the living room to keep everything light and airy. Then I'll add more natural wood elements to create a custom carpentry feature wall full of Scandinavian scrumptiousness.
That looks pretty good.
Okay, let's call that good and set it.
And that's it, right?
Careful, careful, careful.
Is there no footer?
No footer. Oh, even better. Nice. All right, have fun. Oh, there's my coffee mug.
Is that yours?
Yes, I've been looking everywhere for this. We have to get that cabinets up, and we have to get that backsplash in. And then we can put our countertop on, and then the island will be done. All right, let's do it.
You guys got it?
Yeah. I'm wrapping it around the island as well to really create a cohesive vibe. This honestly might be my favorite room in the house so far.
That looks really sharp. Is that wide enough, Keith?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
This-
Barely, but.
Yikes.
Yes.
Oh, wait, why is that offset? So when we tried to install the island countertop, turns out the butcher block was too narrow.
I mean, the solution is to get
An island piece.
piece.
But that's okay. We'll find another piece that's bigger, and then I will figure out how to use this piece because it's gorgeous.
What?
Hi, Shay.
Hello, Shay.
Oh my goodness, this place is like night and day.
Right?
What did you do? Look at these floors.
Yep, much better, huh?
So wait, what was here?
So we rearranged the whole layout to be a main bedroom, main bathroom, and then we opened up this bedroom and turned it into a dining space.
Good job, good job, good job. I'm
A
impressed.
lot of work. I love this kitchen.
It is so, I don't remember it being so big.
Look, we even got a dishwasher in.
What?
We never get to do dishwashers, but we had room and money. But now we ran out of money because of the dishwasher.
Don't have the money, but we have the space.
There's so many selling features. This wooden backsplash, you have an island, a dishwasher.
Look, the same feature on the
Oh,
back.
this is nice. This is a beautiful focal point and how it just ties the whole vibe together.
I can't wait to kind of get this one decorated because it's gonna be really pretty.
You see it?
Ah, it's so sexy when you cut a perfect line, you know? This house has so much woodwork. That staircase is gonna be a work of art.
I don't even know what the budget is at this point. I'm just trying to finish it. I'm like, don't show me. I don't want to see because I know it's going to be bad.
Yeah, the accountant stopped calling. We're broke. Hello. Is that my tape measure that you have? I believe it is. Goodbye. The feature wall leaves the staircase partially open, which makes this living room much bigger and more modern. My goal for this exposed wood is to give it an organic, high-end feel.
This is a very interesting little build out here.
I know, right? Just keeps going and going like the Energizer Bunny.
And then you're doing something here, right?
Yep. Do not fear, it will be lovely. I'm putting the finishing touches on the feature wall in the living room, as well as finishing the coffee table using the kind of messed up piece from the island. Oh, wow, I love it.
Isn't it so cool?
Yes, so Nordic. Light! This house has so much light. It is so bright and wonderful. Even on the grayest Michigan day, you know this house is just gonna radiate light. Oh my God, I love it.
Hi, little plant. Keith and Evan did an amazing job with the Scandinavian theme. Everything is so clean and bright and all the hints of wood throughout. This home is gonna be an easy sell for sure.
This house gave us so many problems, from the framing to the porch, absolutely decimating our budget. But it turned out so gorgeous.
We bought this house for $7,500. We ended up spending $140,000 on the reno, and we're listing it for $169,000.
What do you think about this house?
I love it. It's gorgeous.
Beautiful.
I like the porch a lot.
Me too.
It looks pretty sturdy.
I'm glad because it did not look sturdy before.
And I love the color. Love the copper gutters. I'm dying to see the inside.
You are going to love it. Welcome, ladies. Come on in.
Oh my gosh.
Hi. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous.
Thank you.
So Keith's design theme for this home is a Scandinavian house. So a Scandinavian is very bright and airy and a lot of natural wood tones.
The floors are my favorite.
Me too, I love these floors.
Absolutely beautiful.
Yes.
Blonde oak floors really make sure all the light bounces around.
It's very nice. I like the open concept of the stairs.
Keith and Evan did this beautiful feature wall.
This is something that you don't find in every house.
Yeah.
I mean, the craftsmanship is very, very nice.
I love the wood tables.
So this, we had a bit of wood left over from the island in the kitchen.
Okay.
So I turned it into a little table to go with the accent wall.
And it fits here perfectly.
Clever. I mean, drop the keys on the table.
Yeah.
Let's see the kitchen. It's my favorite one ever.
The kitchen. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. I love this.
This is perfect.
Lots of counter space.
Yes.
This is
Love
quartz.
this.
I do like this backsplash.
This has Keith's name written all
Oh,
over
my
it though,
goodness.
right?
Yeah. I love
I love the way the wood is running through the entire home.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
That's ingenious. I love this.
Actually, the island is wrapped in the same wood.
It looks really nice. They did a great job on this.
And it's a perfect size. When you see islands sometimes in some homes, you think it has to be massive, but this is perfect.
So
Very
this
nice.
home, it used to be 5 bedrooms, 2 baths.
Okay.
But to make it more functional, the guys made it a 4-bed, 2-bath, and that used to be a bedroom. And now it's a dining room. Let's check it out.
A bedroom.
Nice.
Oh my goodness.
So we opened up this wall, we opened up this wall so that it flows in a circular flow.
And I love the way you open it up to where you can literally talk from the kitchen and come in from the living room. That's amazing.
The shape of the table, perfect.
Keith actually made this table as well. So this custom piece is so nice. I love the legs.
Oh, look at the legs. I love the legs too.
You don't ever want to cover this up with a tablecloth, I'll tell you that.
Well, there is more to see.
Okay.
Follow me, ladies. So this is bedroom number 1.
Nice and spacious.
Beautiful. Oh, it's like a whole suite.
Yes.
Wow, I love the bed too.
Wow.
Hooks to the bathroom.
Yes.
Nice.
Okay.
You actually have 2 entries from this bedroom and also the main living space.
It's very nice.
It's massive.
It is.
Oh my God.
This is a huge bathroom.
Yeah.
It is, and it's nice that they put a shower down here.
That's important. I love the little tiles on the floor.
Yes, the
Little
penny tile.
penny tiles.
Simple but elegant.
Okay, ladies, let's head upstairs.
Okay. The stairs are so wide. I love this. Oh my.
Oh, this is so nice. I love it.
This would be perfect to sit here and read a book.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah. You can all come back later.
I think we lost Maria.
Maria, home say, home sweet home.
So the layout here was totally messed completely messed up. So we relaid out the entire floor plan.
But you got 3 bedrooms up here total and a huge bathroom.
Oh my gosh. Oh, once again, love the lights and the cabinet. And the gold fixtures are really
very
nice.
I love this tile. This tile is absolutely gorgeous.
I just love the division though. The division is, I love that. That's a really smart idea.
Another,
Wow.
I would call this almost like a main bed.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, quite large.
This is huge.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful.
Windows facing east, you wake up with the sun.
Could you imagine waking up in the morning with that daylight just coming through?
The flooring is so beautiful, once again bringing in that Scandinavian look to,
Yes.
of course, match the end tables. Just pulling the whole house together.
I can't believe how big this entire house is.
Oh my gosh, this is so amazing.
Today's open house was a huge hit. Buyers absolutely love all the woodwork throughout the home. They noticed all the detail on all of the woodwork and tables Keith made. And buyers were thoroughly impressed that there is a first floor bedroom, which is a huge selling factor.
This house is beautiful. It is not gonna last long.
There's nothing like